Due to the ongoing hot weather condition and as per directions from the Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District, the district-level inter-school athletic meet 2024 Bhoi District is to be held from which was supposed to be held from 1st to 3rd May 2024 at NSCA Stadium, Paham CM Nongpo, is now postponed until further notice. Speaking to the media, Bobby L. Nongbet, District Sports Officer Bhoi, informed all the schools in the district to be prepared by the 15th of this month, as the state-level meet is going to be held in the last week of the month.
Ketika kubur kalau hadian bangila ia banyakkan berudisi berulah device ini bang menghaban baik bahagian ini wajar bahwa bagi ni kesini kela orang keba ship pelat berkuala keba ulang keba dalam sawi ia kintang ia kaya ko ikenai ia kaya pemudan terkadau ulah device ini bang menghabannya postponed syai ketika meet berhadu benda pentip yang dah kemui. Habang pentip ipisia ki school ki monsi minta biang, na kinang mo pengkre, kini ki tayo banwan let's say how ki kini hapo kasantari ng persian pendep na kini ka district level.
And a quick look at the weather report now.